Nothing better on Memorial Day weekend than a few wieners on the grill. Let's get this fire going. All right, smokes are rolling. So let's empty out our coals. Get the rest of those coals nice and hot. All right, it's time to put the wieners on the grill. 1 wiener, 2 wieners, 3 wieners, 4 wieners on the grill. Oops, I almost forgot my wiener sauce. So we'll close the lid a little bit, keep the heat going, get those wieners cooking. Wieners have been cooking, it's time to roll them around just a little bit. There's always one aggravating wiener that doesn't want to behave. All right, let's stir up our wiener sauce a little bit. Get it good and stir it up so it'll cook real even. All right, now it's time to adjust our wieners off the fire and pull them out to the indirect heat. All right, let's get these wieners off the grill. Those wieners are ready to eat. All right, now that's how we plate up our wieners. Put our wiener on the bun, put a little mustard, a few onions, some cheese. Oh, that wiener sauce. You gotta love a good wiener sauce. Now a little hot sauce to finish it off.